So super pumped to get my hands on Llama 3. But I want to know, what are you most excited about from today's announcements?
Oh man. All right. Well, I think the thing that most people are going to notice are the Meta AI improvements. So we're rolling out this new version, which with the Llama 3 upgrade, we believe is now the most intelligent AI that everyone is going to be able to freely use out there. And, we're integrating Google and Bing to give it real-time knowledge too. We're integrating it across Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram and Messenger right into the search box at the top. So, whenever you have a question, you can just ask the question right in any of the apps. We're rolling in a bunch of unique creation features that I think are pretty cool. I mean, now Meta AI can take any image and animate it for you. But I think one of the things that's actually the most wild is it now generates high quality images so fast that as you're typing, I don't know if you got a chance to play with this, but as you're typing, it creates the images and updates them in real time. So you can just describe what you want it to generate an image of, and it'll just kind of make it and kind of hone the image, right? So it'd be like, all right, let's do a UFC fight, and you start describing the people and you start describing the venue, and it all just kind of comes into focus, and it's pretty wild. So I think a lot of people are going to love that. There's a lot more in there, but we're going to start rolling it out, and I'm just really excited for people to get their hands on it.
Yeah, I mean, I saw the demo and it was phenomenal. I actually asked if it was sped up, because I'd never seen anything like that. So I was really surprised. Speaking of Meta AI, I want to commend you for leading the charge in open source AI. That conversation is so nuanced and complex. We don't have the time to get into it, but I think it's more important than many people understand. The reason why is you're making this technology available to 3 billion people, which is, I think about that number and it's hard to grasp. But what are some of the ways that brands and creators alike can use Meta AI, across WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, et cetera, to help reach more people, to empower their community, and to accomplish their goals?
Yeah, I mean, I think for a lot of people, the first thing is it can basically just answer any question that you have. So, if you have an informational question, you can ask it. But, I don't know, like one thing I was doing the other night was, I got a group of people together and we were going to do karaoke. So I just asked them, like, all right, here's the people who are here. Go generate a set list for us and pairs to sing karaoke together. And it basically made a set list where it paired us up and told us what songs to sing. And it was pretty funny. So, I mean, this is the point. It's like generative, right? It can create new things. Creating content is awesome, right? Creating the high quality images, creating animations of that is awesome. Being able to edit them. I think like for content production and editing, there's just going to be so much value across all of these things. So yeah, I mean, I'm really excited to see how people use it. They're just very powerful tools. So it's not just one thing that you can use it for, which is partially what I'm excited about integrating it into everything that we're doing. I do think we're going to get to a point pretty soon where every creator and every business has an AI of their own to help them talk to their community or their customers. If you're a business, we're not all the way there yet. We're taking some early steps for that, and I'll have more to share on that later in the year, but I'm pretty excited about that one too.
So are you personally using AI in like your daily workflows, or is it more like kind of these one-off sort of tasks and use cases?
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that I found is, because I've been playing with the version that we're rolling out today for a few months now as we've been building it internally. And one of the things that I found is that now that it's integrated into the search box in all our apps, I just use it. It's my go-to thing whenever I have a question, right? Whether it's a kind of generative or creative question, or if it's like a factual thing. A lot of the time it's just faster for me to get the answer there by, typing the question into, the search bar on WhatsApp or the search bar on Instagram than whatever I would have done before. So